What's up, everybody? So we're here in Mesa, Arizona, heading out to the Lower Salt River. We're gonna go have us some fun. It's COVID-19 time. My normal work is a little messed up right now. I'm still able to do some work. I'm very grateful for that, but it's very different from what I was doing before, because I was more direct in front of people, and now I have to work online and drive leads and other things through other means. So it's just a little different. I'm used to being out and about on working, and I've been cooped up, so I got to get out. We're gonna go do us some fishing on the Lower Salt. Target for today, well, we're gonna do two things. So we've got two poles. We're gonna put one out for carp, and then the other one I'm gonna try and catch us some little bass, have a good time catching bass while we wait for the carp bite. Hopefully catch us some big carp for fun. It's just good to get out and do stuff. Took the kiddos out last week and we did catch us some carp and had some fun. So the fish are around, so hopefully we can get a few of them to bite, figure them out. So see what we can do when we get to the river. So a funny thing, when the water was high, I was wearing my waders. I had my wife and my 3 kids with me, and I decided to carry them all across one by one since I was wearing waders, so we could get down to the good spot. Didn't want my kids climbing up in the cliffs and stuff, because it's very deep water if they were to fall. And so we decided to cross the shallows here. The water was clear up into, you know, up in these rocks right here. So I carried all my kids across, and we did good getting across, but on the way back I dropped my wife in the water. Whoops. She just got a little wet, but the water was pretty cold, so I felt bad for dropping her. Now she's not going to trust me to do anything. Right along the edges there. Rocks. Picking up plenty of grass. Okay, last cast right here. Go right out on that peak for a minute and try a couple there. That's what I'm looking for. Right along the side of them rocks right there. Get us right in the strike zone. I'm gonna try just a regular straight retrieve, get it down a little bit deeper since this is a floater. Okay, carp pole is out. We're just using corn today. Sitting out there and see if we can't catch us some little bass while it sits there. I actually have the reel open. I lost a pole over here. It was a really bad day, just all around. I ended up getting skunked that day, lost multiple fish, and then they decided to steal my pole too, just to rub it in. So, man, this lure's not, it's tangled up. There's some good looking little bass down there. All right. Yeah, there's some carp jumping out there. Carp pole is going right now. Yep, we got something on him. Don't know how big he is, but hey, we got a fish. Ooh, crap, and the release is on. Don't want that. Ooh. Let him get too much out. Oh, he's not that big. He doesn't feel that big at all. Oh, he just came off. No, bummer. Oh well. At least we know they're biting. I was a little bit worried because there's a bunch of them spawning. I thought that they wouldn't be biting because they're interested in other things. So, well, hey, we'll try again. Alrighty. So this little guy here decided to steal our corn. It's a little turtle. We got him. Ooh. All right, first catch of the day, turtle. Alrighty, we're on to the next spot. We did not have much luck there, just that one bite, the turtle. So we're heading up here just a little ways. It's a little more shallow. There is some current, so we'll be done with that, but we saw them up there. I think it'll be good. So, give it a shot. There's a bunch of rocks and stuff out there. A little bit worried it's gonna get snagged down in there, but alright, we'll see what that does. Are on. Feels like a pretty decent one too, but we are going against the current, so I'm caught on a stupid little reed down here. Oh, but he is definitely taking out drag for sure. Holy Hannah. Come on. I'm not gaining on him at all. Holy cow. Oh, I think I'm getting bit with my other pole right here too. Okay, now we're turned him a little bit. Alright, come on. Whoa. Holy cow. Woo. Step back here. Yeah, I think the turtle's eating my other one. There we go. Oh, come on. I hope this reed. I fell in the water there. Might as well go rip that thing off of the reed. I might want it to break anything. There we go. I want to be able to work this fish properly too. There we go. Whew. That's what we're here for. He's gonna take me upstream now. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Same stupid pole too. I'm gonna keep losing fish on. That's the way it was with my kiddos. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. He's right down there. Apparently he's not done yet. There we go. Come on. I love carp fishing. They are fun. Ooh, it just reminds me of fishing in the ocean in Texas. It's actually something big to catch in Arizona. Come on. Yeah, the hot dogs seem to be the trick. He picked that up pretty quick once I got it out there. Oh, no, no, come on, turn. Nope, there. No, he's not done yet. Alrighty. Got this current to fight him. I'm thinking maybe I need to pull him. Yeah, let's pull him up over. Turn. Oh, get him on this side of the current. We might get him landed. There we go. Get him back up around these rocks here. Oh, come on, turn back. No, no, he's not ready. There we go. Man, that's so much fun when they take out drag like that. My shoulders are getting tired. There we go. We got him back up in this little cove here. No, no, no. Come on. There we go. It's almost like fishing for a red out of the ocean. Except for these don't got teeth that can't cut your line. Alrighty. We didn't get skunked today, boys. And girls, I guess. Girls like to watch too. There we go. Whew. That's a good fish. Oh. I might actually need my pliers. Oh, I got it. So I would say, oh, I'd say he's a good 20 pounds. Hefty guy. Hey, we caught one. That was fun. Alright. Our plan paid off. We caught us a carp. That was the main thing we were going for today. Bye, bud. Alright. On to the next one. Guess what, guys? Same stupid pole. You know what? We'll take it. It caught the last one. I'm sure it can catch this one too. Got my other pole still out, so I'm trying to work around it. This feels like a decent one. Oh, come on. And with carp, most of them are nice fish. We're also fighting the current a little bit over here. Let's see if I can turn over here. Oh. Crap, he might be getting tangled up in my other. Yeah, he definitely did get tangled up in my other one. Bummer. Well, at least they're not just coming in. We actually get to fight them today. Yeah. I don't know if he's still tangled or what. We might have got past it. So I don't see my other pole moving anymore. Getting them up here close. We'll be able to see him here in a minute. Oh, he's pretty close to this, the same as the last one. Maybe just a tad bit smaller. I don't know. He seems maybe a little bit longer, but not as fat. Alright, we hooked him right in the lip, right where we want. one of the reasons why I like the jig hooks so much for carp fishing. Tends to get them right in the upper lip. All right. Oh, yeah, he's pretty close, the same as the last guy. He's not quite ready. Come back. Oh, come on. Alrighty, bud. Oh, actually, he looks a little bit longer. Yeah, longer for sure. Come here, guy. Oh man, we barely got him. He's like barely hanging on. Oh, I bent the hook pretty good too. Have to change the hook out. Come on, give me your gill. Or not. All right, come on back over here, butthead. I want to get you landed so you can go back out there without that in your mouth. Nope, easy release. Bye, guy. Cool beans. Yeah, destroyed my hook, bent it all to crap. Well, that was fun. Pick it up, pick it up. Yep, you know you wanna. Again, it's on the crappy pole. Yep, he's definitely going. Oh, he's swimming at me. Whatever is swimming at me. I don't know, I've never had carp. I don't think that's a carp. I think that's a bass or something. Eating a hot dog with the crap. No, I think it's a carp. Yeah, it's a carp. It's just a little bit smaller. That guy ran right at me. Actually, this one could be a Sonoran sucker. It is a Sonoran sucker. I didn't know he would eat a hot dog. That's why he's smaller. Yeah. Cool. Decent size for a Sonoran. There we go. Looks like something bit the back end of his tail off. There we go, bud. Come here. There we go. Cool beans. Sonoran sucker. Ate a hot dog. And we got a whole bunch of them sitting right out here in front of us, and they had the hot dogs sitting out there that whole time when the carp were swimming by us, and they didn't touch it. Man, we hooked him good. There we go. Thanks for biting, guy. Alrighty, we wrapped up the day with the Sonoran sucker. Got dark and we ran out of batteries, so that's why we're doing the outro in the truck. Remember to subscribe. We got a lot more coming down the pipeline. It's going to be a lot of fun. And remember to get out and live a little.